Hi, hello, this is Toby. Welcome to Toby and Tribe. Welcome to my tribe. I wanted to speak on the importance of prioritizing self care. Self care is such an important part of our daily life, it's such an intrinsic part of our life. Can you just imagine what life would be like if we didn't look after ourselves? If we're busy looking after other people 24/7 and we didn't put anything back into ourselves? We feel like self care is sometimes seen as an afterthought, as something that you do when you've been burnt out, when you've done all the work and there's nothing left for you to give. So we end up wanting to give to ourselves then, but it should be something that we prioritize and we just, we fit into our lives. Or otherwise, we end up feeling like we're not living for ourselves, that we're living for other people. So self-care should not be an afterthought. It should be something you plan around your day. Like, for example, you could take 10 minutes off your day to have a cup of tea, just you alone, perhaps sit in the garden, just spend time by yourself. Lie down on a grass or on a chair and just be by yourself, or have a nap, spend some time just by yourself in bed, reading a book, or just doing nothing. I think spending time doing nothing and just being by ourselves is an important part of self-care. And it's so, so, so important for us to give back to ourselves and not wait till we are dying or we have nothing left to give and we're overly depleted before we remember that, oh, I'm also important. You are the most important person in your life. So just make time for yourself, make time for your health, your well-being, your mental, emotional, physical, psychological well-being. And remember to give back to yourself, because you are also important. In fact, you are the most important person in your life. So put yourself first. I just thought about this and I thought to share it, especially as women. We always forget, to do for ourselves while we're busy doing for others, while we're busy looking after other people. That we put ourselves last. So, we can't live life on burnout. We can't live life constantly burning out. So it's important to give to yourself so that you can give back to others. I thought I'd share this quickly, and I'm sure this was useful and helpful. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.